Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to create partition in Windows 11. Firstly, there are two ways to access it. Firstly, option 1 is right-clicking on the Start menu or pressing Windows plus X, then select Disk Management from the menu. The second option is pressing Windows plus R, then type disk mgmt.msc, then press Enter. In the Disk Management window, you'll see a list of all your drives and their existing partitions. Identify the physical drive you want to partition. If you're partitioning a drive that already contains data, right-click on the volume, which is usually C, and then select Shrink Volume. Enter the amount of space to shrink it in megabytes, then click Shrink. This will free up unallocated space from the new partition. Now that you have unallocated and allocated space, right-click on the unallocated space, then select New Simple Volume. Follow the New Simple Volume wizard, then choose a volume size, assign a drive letter, then choose a file system. NTFS is recommended, then click Finish to create the partition. Always back up important data before resizing or partitioning drive to avoid potential data loss. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.